Here, next question, sixth one. What are given? Given linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrically representation of a pair of those linear equations are formed. That is, formation is first one intersecting lines, second one is parallel lines, third one is coincident lines. So they are given, one line is given. You have to find out the another line. After that, you find out the solution of those two lines, and those two lines are we will show that graphical representation. Those lines are intersecting lines, parallel lines, and coincident lines. So first you have to given, let given equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. So we don't know second equation, right? Other equation. So let the required equation required linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. See here, right first. So those two lines are intersecting parallel or coincident lines. First of all, you write the ratios of those two lines. So here the ratio is what here? So a1 by a2 is equation 1, no? Equation 2. So take that on comparing the linear equation on a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here the ratio is a1 by a2. So a1 by a2 means here this one. Here write the coefficients also. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 8. Next, a2 is equal to here a, b2 is equal to b, c2 is equal to c. So then ratios a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by a. Okay, and this one b1. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by b, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by c. Then the ratios here are 2 by a, this ratio is 3 by b, this ratio is minus 8 by c. See here, observe these three ratios. So let's take the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means what here? So here the a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So then only those lines are intersecting lines. So let's take the a value 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to, I take minus 4. So therefore the required equation, so the required linear equation is, so here the ax plus by plus c, here a is 3, ex, b is 2, 2y, c is minus 4, that is equal to 0. This is equation 2. So these two linear equations, find out the solutions. We will show that graphical representation. Those lines are intersecting lines. We will check that. So from 1, what is 1 here? Equation 1, 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So those solutions, take the solutions. I take here two solutions. Suppose x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means value is 0. So y is equal to 3y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 by 3. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 6 18. So this is 2.6. So 0 comma 2.6. And next, suppose y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means this value total 0. So that is equal to minus 8 onto this side plus 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 comma 0 is the point. Okay, next from 2, this one. From 2, what is your equation? 2, 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So take the solutions. Here also take the two solutions. Suppose x equal to 0. So x 0 means your total value is on 0. Minus 4 transfer this side. 4 by 2. This is 2. So 0 comma 2. Next suppose y is equal to 0. So what will happen? This value is 0. 4 by 3. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 by 3 means what? 3 ones. So model 1.3. This is 1.3 comma 0. Okay, so take the graph. So graphical representation. Those two lines are intersecting lines. So right here, check. So take x-axis, y-axis. See the scale is 1 unit 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit here and on x-axis and y-axis. See here 0 comma 2.6. So this is the 0 x0 2.6 means here. This is 0 comma 2.6. Next 4 comma 0 x 4 here 0 4 comma 0. So join these 2 points. So make a straight line. So this line is the 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Next this one 0 comma 2 x 0 2. Next minus 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 1.3 comma 0. So 1.3. See here, this is the 1.3. 1.3 comma 0. So join these two and extend this line. So this is the intersecting point. Okay, see observe these two lines, graphical representation, what will happen here? Those two lines are intersecting at one point, that is a unique point. Those lines are intersecting lines. Okay, this is the graphical representation. That is the first one, intersecting lines. And next one, parallel lines. 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So the required equation, have to parallel lines. Parallel lines means here there is no solution, that is a inconsistent system. Have to find out write the another linear equation. So that's why I take the required equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So on comparing the linear equations, two equations. So they write the coefficients and their ratios. So here the observe here, let take the a value, take here, I take here 2 and b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 4. So therefore the required equation, so 2x, see here the required equation x plus by plus c. So that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. So by using these two linear equations, the graphical representation of the pair of linear equations are parallel lines. We will show that from 1, take the solutions. From 1, what is 1 here? 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. See here, the take that, suppose x, y, x, y. Suppose x equal to 0, this value is 0, this is 2.6, already found here before that one. Next, y is equal to 0, this value is 0, 4. So 0 comma 2.6, this one 4 comma 0. And next from 2, what your equation? 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So here the solutions x, y, x, y. So the two solutions, suppose x equal to 0, x0 means here the 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means what? 1.30 comma 1.8 here. And next here, suppose y0, y0 means here the 2. 2 comma 0. So 4 transpose that side, 4 by 2. So take graph. So given two lines are parallel lines. Take the x-axis, y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 dash, 6 dash. So take x-axis, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 in. See the first point 0 comma 2.6 here 0, 2.6. Next 4 comma 0. So this one 4 comma 0. So join these two lines, 2 points, make a straight line. That line is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Next this one 0 comma 1.3, 0 here 1.3. So 0 comma 1.3. Next 2 comma 0. So here x2. Sorry, here x2 0 comma 0. Sorry, this point here 0 comma minus 0 comma 1.3. So x0 1.3 here. So 0 comma 1.3. Next 2 comma 0. That is y x2 y0 2 comma 0. So join these 2 points. So form a straight line. So this is the those two lines. After find out the another linear equations and draw the graphical representation. Those two lines are parallel lines. And next one coincident lines. So here the given line is given, this line is given. Find out the another line. So that is the required line ax plus by plus c1 is equal to c is equal to 0. On comparing these two linear equations here, so you'll get the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So their ratios are this one. So here the third one here coincident lines. These two are over. This one coincident lines. Coincident lines here condition is all ratios are equal. So that's why here take the required equation that let a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 16. See, observe this one 2 by 4 1 by 2, 3 by 6 1 by 2, minus 8 by minus 16 1 by 2. So all ratios are equal. So therefore the required equation is 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So and find out these two linear equations. Find out the solutions and draw the graphical representation. So from 1 x y, from 1 means here 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. X y point. So take the solutions. Suppose x equal to 0. So x0 means y is equal to 8 by 3. So 3, 2 is 6, 20, 3, 6 are 18. So here this is 2.6, 0 comma 2.6. Suppose y0 means this total 0, this is 4. So 4 comma 0, 8 by 2, 4. So next from 2, what are solutions from 2? So 2x, what are equation? 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. That is the equation. Say x, y, x, y. Take the two solutions. Suppose x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means here 6y is equal to minus 16. So 16 by 6. 6 1, so 6 2 is 12. 6 6 is 36. 40. So here this is 2.6, 0 comma 2.6. Suppose y is 0, take y 0. So 0 means here 16 by 4 means 4. So this is a 4 comma 0. Okay. Next graph. So here the graph is the two linear equations. Graph is here coincident lines. Coincident lines means what here? So infinite number of solutions means that is consistent system. See here, take the x-axis and y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here, first from 1, 0 comma 2.6. So 0 x 0 2 point. So here y 2.6 means here 0 comma 2.6. Next 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 x. So this is 4 comma 0. So join these two. So form a straight line. Here 0.26. So 0 comma 26 here only. Next 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0 here only. So here form a another straight line. So those two lines. So suppose this two, that line is take 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Suppose take one more line is, these two lines are coincident lines. So one more line here is 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So here the observe clearly the graphical representation of pair of linear equations are those lines are coincident lines. So this is the sixth question. Next seventh question. Draw the graph of equations x minus y plus 1 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shaded the triangular region. So here the two equations are given. How to find out the, so form a, those two lines are intersecting, form a one triangle, find out the those vertices of the triangular, that shaded region of the triangle. See here, first take, they are given linear equations are x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Equation 1. Next 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. So find out the those linear equations or find out the solutions. So from 1, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the take the x, y, x, y. Suppose I take 0, 2, 4, I take solutions. X value 0, y is equal to 1, 0, comma 1. Next x equal to 2. So 2 means here 2 plus 3. So that is equal to 2 plus 3. Transpose this side minus 3. Minus minus cancel 3. 2 comma 3. Next 4. 4 substitute here. 4 plus 1 5. 5 transpose is minus 5. Minus 5. Minus minus cancel here the 5. 4 comma 5. Next from 2. So 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. And next 2y is equal to minus 12 transpose to this side plus 12 3x. So 2y is equal to 12x minus this one transpose to this side. Y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. So take the solutions x, y. So x, y the solutions. So here the take the solutions 2, 3, 4. So suppose 2 x value 2 here 3 2 is 6. 6 by 12 minus 6 6 6 by 2 here 3. 2 comma 3 is a solution. Next 3. 3 3 is 3 3 3 is 9. So here the 12 minus 3 3 here the 2. So that's why I have take the okay. So here the 12 minus 3 into 3. So by 2. So 12 minus 3 3 is 9 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. So take that is 1.5. So 3 comma 1.5. Next suppose 4. 4 means here 4 3 3 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 0. So this is 0. 4 comma 0. And next take the graph. X-axis, y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus. So on x-axis and y-axis and take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit is 1 unit. So here the solutions. Take the solutions 0 comma 1. So here the x is 0, y 1. Here the point. So 0 comma 1. Next 2 comma 3. 2 here, 3 here. Next 4 comma 5. 4 here, 5 here. 4 comma 5. So join these points. So here. So this is one line. That line is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next second from 2. 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 here this point same point. Next 3 comma 1.5 here x3 1.5 here. See 3 comma 1.5. Next 4 comma 0 4 here 0 here 4 comma 0. So join these 3 points. So this line what here 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. See here, observe this one. These two lines, given two lines are intersecting at point 2 comma 3. See here, form a triangle. So this is the triangle. What here I shaded this one. So here the three vertices of a triangle, the shaded region. Find out, determine the coordinates of vertices of triangle. So this is the triangle. What are the vertices? Therefore, vertices of a shaded triangle is, so the first point here 2 comma 3, next minus 1 comma x minus 1 y 0, minus 1 comma 0, and the next point here 4 comma 0. So these are the three vertices of a shaded triangle. Okay, so this is the seventh question. So if you really like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel Easy Math Talk. Thank you.